Hello, my name is Favorite Mkize. I'm currently pursuing Masters in Social Work at Kalinga University in India. My experience so far in India has been a great experience. I've had an opportunity to participate in a fashion show where I got to wear sari, which is so far the highlight of my stay here in India. Also, Kalinga is a beautiful institution with good professors, and they provide a beautiful learning experience for everyone. They organize workshops for different faculties where students get to learn from other people that have made it in life and other people that are building something in life. Also, I've also had an opportunity to take part in contributing to an upcoming magazine, a magazine that is going to help the students, both international and Indian students, to be able to showcase their talents, to talk about their life experiences. I hope Kalinga will continue to bring out the African students to come and learn, because so far I've enjoyed my stay here. I'm enjoying learning here at Kalinga. There's a lot to learn, and there's still a lot more to learn. Thank you.